Dear students, welcome to the online class of Pirozpur Government Girls High School. Once again, our today's topic is change of degrees. In our previous class, I talked about this topic, but today I will show you another rule of this topic. The students, you please look at the board. I have written the first sentence. Bangladesh is one of the smallest countries in the world. And the second sentence I have written, Sonargaon is one of the most expensive restaurants in Bangladesh. I think that if you look at these two sentences, you will find a very close similarity between these two sentences. In the first sentence, you find one of the, then superlative degree, and in the second sentence also you see one of the and the superlative degree. So there is a very close similarity between these two sentences. So if you can change the first one, you can also change the second sentence. I will talk about the first sentence. Our given sentence is Bangladesh is one of the smallest countries in the world. I have written the positive form. Very few countries in the world are as small as Bangladesh. Dear students, you see that I have underlined one of the and very few, because there is a relation between one of the and very few. That is to say, if you find one of the in the question paper or in your given sentence, then to write the answer or to make it positive, you have to use very few. So the answer is very few countries in the world are as small as Bangladesh. Again, to make it comparative, I have written Bangladesh is smaller than most other countries in the world. Here again I have underlined most other. That is to say, there is a relation between one of the and most other. If in the given sentence you find one of the, then to make it comparative, you have to use most other. So the answer is Bangladesh is smaller than most other countries in the world. Now let me go to the second sentence. The second sentence I have written is Sonargaon is one of the most expensive restaurants in Bangladesh. I have written the positive form of this sentence. Very few restaurants in Bangladesh are as expensive as Sonargaon. Very few is once again underlined because there is a relation between one of the and very few. And I have written the comparative form of this sentence. Sonargaon is more expensive than most other restaurants in Bangladesh. Here again, most other is underlined because there is a relation between one of the and most other. And finally, dear students, I have written these underlined words, very few, most other, one of the. These words are underlined. You see, one of the, very few, most other, one of the, very few, most other. So I have written these underlined phrases once again. If you look at these phrases, dear students, you will see that the first letter of very few is V. The first letter of most other is M. And the first letter of one of the is O. So if we take the first letter from all these three, then it becomes VMO. VMO. So if you forget these rules, you will remember just VMO. This is a short technique, or so you will remember VMO, and you know that what VMO stands for. V stands for very few, M stands for most other, O stands for one of them. But you have to remember VMO. I think that to remember VMO, it is easy for you. VMO or VMO. You can also say VMO. Yeah, so it is easy for you to remember. If you forget very few, most other, one of the, I think that you will not forget VMO. VMO is a very, it's very easy for you to remember, I think. So if you can remember only VMO, then I think that you will be able to change any sentence of these kinds. That is, if you are given a sentence containing one of the, then in your answer, while changing degree, there will be either very few or most other. If you have to make it positive, you will use very few. If you are to make it comparative, you will use most other. So, if you are attentive dear students, then I think that all of you have understood this topic. So, that is all from me for today. I will again appear before you with a new class, and till then, Allah Hafiz. I think that all of you will be safe and sound. So let me stop here. Thank you.